Today I'm going to talk about preserving water. If you just put some water in these little barrels here, these are 5-gallon containers. That's what I suggest. They're big enough that you can still move them around. If you wanted to store water in these, you could just put water in them. You would have to switch it out every 3 to 6 months. And most people I know, including me, are too lazy to do that. So that's not a viable way to do things. So anyway, on the website I'll put where you can get the links for this. What we're going to use to preserve this is this water preserver, which is based on sodium hypochlorite, and it's called water preserver. And basically it says that it will preserve water up to 5 years. So we went from 3 to 6 months to 5 years. I think I can, remember to do something every 5 years. Okay, what you want to do is you put 8 drops per gallon in here. So I've got no water in here. 8 drops per gallon, so let's see. So you put the water preserver into the empty container. Next you add the water, and then you put the top on and swish it around so that everything inside the container, including the top and the lid, gets this water preserver on it, and then you're good to go. If you do open up the container, you would need to add this stuff again because it can be contaminated when you open it. Once you do open it, then you can just use it like fresh water. No need to do anything. It's good to go. So next, I'll just add some water to it and swish it around, and we're done. That's it. That's easy. And you want to fill it up so it's about 3 inches below the opening, is what they say in the directions. So 3 inches below the opening, you go ahead and just shut it on. Alright, I'm done filling it up. I've got a nice cap here. I put the cap on. And then I swish it around a little bit. Make sure that the water has gotten everywhere. Then I'm going to tighten this cap again. So anyway, that's it. Put the cap on. Put these in storage. And you can stack them. So these babies are stackable, so you can just stack up 5 gallon for 5 gallon. Each person needs about a gallon a day, so it's only 5 gallons. That's only if I got 5 gallons, it's only 1 gallon per person per day. So this is 5 days for one person, so you need a lot of water. Anyway, but these are liftable. This is filled with 5 gallons. I can still lift it up, but it's still heavy. If this is 55 gallons, imagine I can't lift it. So. That's the way to go. Bye. I am the bugoutguy.com. Alright, talking about water storage. I'm not sure if you can see the dates here, but the date here says 11/01/01. So, year 2001. It is now the year 2010, so these things have been here a long time. Now they were preserved with some chlorine or other means to preserve the water, but at the same time, what happened here? What happened here was there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around 8 barrels of this size, which I think is about 55 gallon. Well, you know what? These things are so heavy. one guy is not able to move these, okay? You need at least 2 guys to move these things, so that's why this water is so old. Otherwise, if it was easier, this water would have been changed out a long time ago. So I advise getting much smaller water barrels than this, because they're just so big, they're just completely unmanageable.